This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Omnicell Inc. and gives a quick overview of the company, which provides medication management and automation solutions, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OMCL. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade OMCL, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OMCL to locate Omnicell Inc. Confirm you select the NASDAQ-listed stock that matches the company name. On the stock page, you'll find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Check the description and the OMCL ticker to make sure it's the correct listing. To place a buy order, click Invest, enter the amount or number of shares you want, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your OMCL position will appear in your portfolio and update with market activity. For convenience, find the eToro link in the description below.